elves are here, and they brought, it looks like a little squishy guy. Let's see. Dad, what's inside Mr. President? Biggie. Oh, you want me to cut open the president? Well, he is a squishy, so let's check this out. Whoa. I wonder what in the world is inside of him. Just check out that hair. Whoa. Let's see. Whoa, he's very stretchy. And he has a tiny, itty bitty baby body. Okay, well, let's cut this open and see what is inside this guy. Okay. First, let's see here. See what's inside. Oh, nothing's inside there. Okay. Let's do a little snippet right here. Still nothing. Okay, here we go. Let's do a little bit of his hair. Whoa, that was fun. Oh, I heard something. Look. Oh my. Let's see if anything's inside of his nose. Oh dear, oh dear. Whoa. Did you see this? Are you guys getting this? Whoa, that's so much stuff. Wow. It looks kind of like just water. Well, this is the inside. Looks like an eyeball. And here he is. Well, if you like this video, down below, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Sporella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf.